In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your soundbar, which is the Sony HT-SC40, in case you're having issues with it. So for this soundbar, it's very easy. First step is to turn it on, press the power button. Make sure you see something appearing on the screen. All right, it will tell you please wait, like usual. And then what you need to do is to go on this control panel, and we'll need to press the power button at the same time as the volume down button for about 5 seconds until we see reset appearing on the display right over here. So let's do it together. Okay, I'm pressing power and volume down. I'm keeping it pressed. And if you don't see anything appearing after that time, lift your finger. Sometimes it does not register that you're pressing two buttons. Try again, power button and volume down. Wait 5 seconds. All right, now it worked. You see, reset. Once you see reset, you can lift your finger and wait around 15 seconds. Just give the time for the soundbar to power on again. And we're not done, okay? Let's just wait a few more seconds. All right, once you see TV, go ahead and disconnect the power from the soundbar. So pull the power cable on the back, or you can also pull it from the wall outlet. All right, wait 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, just reconnect it the same way. All right, and then power on the soundbar. This is about it. Your soundbar is now like new. Hopefully you fixed the problems you had. And yeah, leave a like, but also comment down below telling me it worked. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.